Feel the pulse, feel it run through you. One heartbeat.